Hello, my cheerful little stars. Today I'm drawing Bluey running with a funny rabbit. While the drawing comes to life, let's enjoy a playful story about speed, laughter, and surprises. But before the story starts, give this video a happy like, so Bluey and Bingo can giggle and hop even faster. The sun shines gently above the yard. Bluey and Bingo are playing with bubbles, chasing them as they float in the air. Pop, pop, pop. Giggles Bingo, trying to catch the biggest one. Bluey blows another bubble and laughs. Look, it's flying to the clouds. Dad watches them with a smile. Careful racers. Then suddenly, asterisk hop hop hop, asterisk. A small rabbit appears from the bushes. Whoa, says Bluey in surprise. A bunny. The rabbit twitches its nose and looks around curiously. Bingo whispers, "It's so cute." Bluey kneels closer and smiles. "Hello, little bunny." But the bunny blinks, wiggles its tail, and asterisk zoom, asterisk, runs away quickly. Bluey gasps, "Hey, it's running from us." Bingo laughs, "Let's catch it." And the chase begins. Bluey runs across the garden shouting, "Wait, bunny." Bingo follows behind, hopping like a rabbit too. Dad cheers from the porch, "Go, little runners, go." The bunny darts past the flowers, through the tall grass and behind the swing. Bluey stops to catch her breath. "Wow, that bunny is fast." Bingo giggles. "It's faster than Dad when he runs from chores." Dad laughs loudly. "Hey, that's not true." Bluey shakes her tail and says, "We need a plan." Bingo nods wisely. "Let's make a bunny trap with carrots." They run to the kitchen and grab a few carrots from the basket. Mum smiles. "What are you two planning now?" Bluey answers proudly, "We're catching a speedy bunny." They place the carrots in a circle near the tree. Bluey hides behind the bush. Bingo hides behind the slide. "Shoo," whispers Bluey. "Here it comes." The bunny hops slowly toward the carrots. One step closer, 2 steps. Then swoosh. It grabs a carrot and runs again. Bluey jumps out and yells, "Oh no, it tricked us." Bingo laughs so hard she falls on the grass. "The bunny's smarter than us." Dad comes closer, chuckling. "Maybe it just wants to play tag," he says. Bluey thinks for a second and smiles. "Let's play chase with it instead of catching it." So she stands up, claps her paws and calls, "Come on, bunny, let's play." The bunny tilts its head, then hops in a circle. Bluey giggles. It understands. Bingo joins in, hopping and laughing, and soon they're all running and jumping together. Bluey, Bingo, and the little bunny spinning around in the yard. The chase turns into a joyful dance. Bluey twirls, Bingo hops, and the bunny bounces between them. Dad claps along, pretending to be the referee. "Fastest bunny award goes to our fluffy friend," he says. Everyone laughs and cheers. After all the hopping, they rest under the tree, breathing softly and smiling wide. Bluey looks at the bunny beside her. "You're not scary at all," she says gently. The bunny wiggles its nose and snuggles near her paw. Bingo giggles. "I think it likes you now." Mum brings out some apple slices, and together they share the snack in peace. The evening sky glows orange and calm as the stars begin to twinkle. Bluey whispers, "Today was the best chase ever." Bingo nods sleepily. "Yeah, the bunny wins." Dad laughs softly. "Everyone wins when we have fun together." And from that day on, whenever Bluey saw a bunny hop by, she smiled and said, "Let's play again, little friend."